In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Google Drive not working if your files aren't loading, your drive won't open, or things just feel stuck. Don't worry. We'll go through a series of simple checks and fixes, starting with the easiest, so you can get back to using Google Drive as quickly as possible. Let's begin with the simplest step, refreshing the Google Drive page. Sometimes the page just doesn't load correctly the first time, or your connection briefly drops. If you're on a computer, click the refresh button in your browser, or press Ctrl+R on Windows, or Command+R on a Mac. Wait a few seconds and see if your files appear, or if the error message disappears. It sounds basic, but a quick refresh can fix a surprising number of issues, especially if the problem was just a temporary glitch. If refreshing doesn't help, the next thing to do is check whether Google Drive itself is having problems. Sometimes the issue isn't your computer or connection, but Google's servers. To check this, open a new browser tab and search for the official Google Workspace Status dashboard, or use a trusted outage detection site. Look specifically for Google Drive on the list. If it shows a disruption or outage, that means the problem is on Google's end. In that case, there's nothing you need to fix locally. You'll just have to wait until the service is restored. It's useful to know this early so you don't waste time troubleshooting your own setup. If Google Drive is reported as running normally but it's still not working for you, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores temporary files and data that can occasionally conflict with how sites like Google Drive load. Open your browser's settings, find the option for clearing browsing data, and choose to remove cached images and files, along with cookies and other site data. You usually don't need to clear your saved passwords or browsing history for this. After you've done that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into your Google account. Then try opening Google Drive again and see if it behaves normally. If you're still having trouble, try using another browser or device. This helps you figure out whether the problem is tied to one specific setup. For example, if you're using Chrome on your computer, try opening Drive in Firefox, Edge, or Safari. If you have access to a phone or tablet, try the Google Drive app there, or open Drive in a mobile browser. If Drive works fine on another browser or device, that tells you the issue is likely specific to your original browser or machine, and you might need to update the browser or reset some of its settings. Finally, if none of that works yet, restart your computer or sign out of your Google account and sign back in. Restarting clears out background processes and temporary system glitches that can interfere with how your browser connects to services like Google Drive. If you'd rather not restart right away, try signing out of your Google account from the top right corner of the Drive page, then close the browser, reopen it, and sign in again. After that, load Google Drive one more time. By working through these steps in order, you'll usually be able to fix most issues with Google Drive not working, or at least pinpoint where the problem is coming from.